coast we thought we'd never get to see. Let me start it over, sorry.
No worries.
Sorry. You don't need an intro, do you?
May as well do.
Okay, ready? This is Papa Jack Couch, and the song is Twilight Memories. When the shadows lengthen softly and the sky begins to fade, and a shade of rose colors twilight memories, I'm reminded of a time we shared so very long ago, on a terrace looking out upon the sea. For the life of me, I can't recall the name of that hotel, or the street we danced the sidewalks on till dawn. For the life of me, our lives turn like a fleeting carousel. For the life of me, I can't believe you're gone. When the shadows lengthen softly and the sky begins to fade, and a shade of rose colors twilight memory, I remember when we sailed into a fiery setting sun, off a coast we thought we'd never get to see. For the life of me, I can't recall the sorrows very well, or the dark times that we struggled through as one. For the life of me, our lives turn like a fleeting carousel. For the life of me, I can't believe you're gone. When the shadows lengthen softly and the sky begins to fade, I'm thankful disappointments were so few. I'm grateful that we spend so many nights among the stars, for what I knew and had still yet to know of you. For the life of me, I can't believe we couldn't say farewell, after sharing all our fortunes for so long. For the life of me, our lives turn like a fleeting carousel. For the life of me, I can't believe you're gone. For the life of me, I can't believe you're gone. That it?